Mm-hmm.
Okay, the first thing we're going to go to is you've got the family.bayinteractive.net. You're on that?
Yep.
So we're going to add after that slash wp-admin.
Oops. Like that? That kind of dash?
Yep. And then
Okay.
hit enter.
Okay. Oops.
All right.
Oh.
So now you're in the dashboard, which
Is this what you do every time you put something in?
Yeah, and mine looks a little bit more complex as you'll see
Yeah.
in my version, but that's because I'm the administrator.
Yeah.
So as you'll see on the left-hand column, there's posts, media, links,
Mm-hmm.
no, you don't have appearance, and comments.
Mm-hmm.
The only one you're going to even concern yourself with is posts and pages.
Okay.
So we will do a post. So go click on post, and then add new, which is below post.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Okay. And obviously on top you have a title field, and then here below is your content field. Those are the only two things you'll care about. And then there's over on the right side is a category list.
Oh, yeah.
You're the Larson Ashleys. We are the Ashley Johnsons.
Uh-huh.
So why don't you go ahead and just make up a title?
Here, I don't know if you can drink this. If this
Oh,
is
it's
gonna
clear?
Be, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be good to drink straight or not, but try it. I just gave you a splash.
And down in the middle is content. We can do this later. Okay.
Okay, enter title here.
Yep. Just enter whatever title you want. Here. Okay, and then put some content down below, and you'll obviously see that this whole area looks
Right
a lot
here?
like Microsoft Word. Yep.
What do you want it? What do you
Just
mean?
put whatever you want to type there. I put drink break in mine.
Okay. Brett is...
Okay, and you'll see that I have more in mine. You only
Yeah.
have the one line. That's it's called the kitchen sink.
Okay.
And it's this little button here with a bunch of, looks like a bunch of little squares on the far right.
Yeah.
And that will add this, so you can underline stuff, and you can, do all this
So I'm
great
supposed
stuff.
to click on that?
Yep, if you want more options. Click. There we go.
Oh.
Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do is we want to make sure it's in your category. So we're going to select Larson Ashley. Okay, and now we've got a little bit of content, so let's go up here and hit Save Draft. So it hasn't published it to the web yet. Above. Save Draft. Oh. It'll do an autosave every 90 seconds, but I don't trust autosave, so I save it myself. Okay. And that might take a second. Once it's saved, it'll pop back up.
Yeah.
Okay, and now
Okay.
let's say we want to add a picture. So up here where it says Upload or Insert, you'll click this little button that looks like a tiny picture,
Oh, okay.
and it'll open up Flash Loader, and it'll say, where are your files? So you'll say, I want to select my files. Do you have any images on your desktop or anything?
Not anymore.
Let's do one really quick here. And just do this to save time. So if you had your images in a file, you'd navigate to that file. But this is what I do. I just drag it to the desktop, and then I pull it from the desktop.
Oh, okay.
So
then
go ahead and go back to your browser there. Okay, and now that should be on your desktop.
Where am I?
Desktop.
Oh. Yeah.
Yep, and go ahead and click on just that one and hit select. Or open. It'll upload. So now it's up on the web, but it's not in your post yet. I'm going to just wait for mine to load. Mine's a little bigger.
I selected it?
Yep, you're good. So just cancel out of that one for now.
Wow, this is a lot of steps.
Oh, but trust me, once you get it, it's
Yeah.
so easy. Okay, so there's a lot of garbage here. We don't care about it because I've already, if you scroll down, 2-finger scroll, of course, you'll see these different sizes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've already preset sizes, so we don't need to worry about it. So we're just
Okay.
going to insert into post.
Okay.
And then boom, it's in your post. So then you can hit save. Save draft. It just did it for you, but so let's just pretend that that's like the ideal post and that's exactly what you wanted.
Mm-hmm.
We're ready to go. Let's publish. That blue button is publish. Okay, so that's out on the web now. So you can actually click up in the upper left on Family News,
Oh, yeah.
and it'll take you to the website, and you'll be able to sample what we just made.
Oh,
That's on our website.
okay.
And it's got Ashley posted in Larson Ashley,
Uh-huh.
and there it is.
Huh.
That easy.
And what if I wanted to put a picture in to something you've already started?
Good question. I like your questions, Lisa. Let's hit back because we want to go back into our. Okay, let's just say you want to post in one of our pages. Here, take a
I
peek.
gotta go to
Take a
your.
peek.
I gotta go to your.
1 second. Take a peek. These are all pages up here.
Yeah.
Let's say you want to post something in fashion.
Uh-huh.
So have something in here. Well, we'll go back to our main screen. And in pages, which is on the left side, below links.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah.
Down, down, down,
Yeah.
down. There you go. Click on that. And you'll see all
Oh,
of our
it gives me
pages.
my choices.
Mhm.
Okay.
So scroll over to fashion, and once you scroll over, you'll see edit, quick edit, trash. We want edit. Let's click on that. And it would be the same concept. You'd literally just add it like you did to the post. And then you'd update, which is over on the right.
Oh. Okay.
Don't get overwhelmed yet. It's trust me, we have much less tech savvy people than you working on this right now. It's just a couple. You just got to do it a couple times, and I think it's going to be really easy for you.
All right. Let me. How do I get off what I have? Have I done something?
You want to delete what we just did, so let's go back to posts, and you'll see Ashley post.
Mm-hmm.
Edit. And you can move the whole thing to trash, which is over here on the right side. Or you could just delete a picture, and you delete it just like you would from a Microsoft Word document. You could add to this an update. Let's just say we want
Oh, there it says error in moving to trash. I tried trashing it.
That's okay. It's gone. Hopefully it's gone. Let's see.
I didn't do. Do I have to do something like select it or something?
Well, we have to refresh to make and it's gone. It's in the trash. So you did trash it. But how you really trash it is when you were in posts and it gave you a list of all of our posts. You just hit trash there.
Oh yeah.
That would get the whole. Well, it's getting an error, but that's normally what works. I think it's because we're both working on it.
Mm.
I just trashed mine. They're both gone now, so we're all safe. So one last lesson, and you probably won't remember this, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just go to our posts. Let's make a fake one here. Posts, data. You'll notice in save this in that I have view more, and then it goes to a longer post that has a lot more pictures.
Yeah.
Real easy to add that too.
What?
So we're back, and let's say we want after data to be this read more. It's this little thing that looks like two boxes. You enter it, and it separates it. So now you've got page 1 and page 2.
Oh.
So I'll save that. Publish.
No, now I'm lost.
Don't worry, I'm got a little surprise for you at the end here. And it's data, view more. Page. So I separated them. So the only way you can view more is by clicking on it. So then the reason I do that is so that we can just have each post has only one picture, and if you want to continue with the post, you just go to view more. Lot to wrap your mind around. But you're in luck, Lisa, because I recorded this whole thing.